If you want to rank your YouTube videos on the YouTube search, then here's the software you could use for Mac computers. It's called Vidly, and also for Windows software, it's called Video Marketing Blaster. I'll leave a link for both softwares in the description. So when you go to your keyword, you want to research keywords to see if anything will come up, and the graph up here, you want it to be on an uptrend as much as you can. This one seems to be pretty consistent, so I'm going to go with that for this video. So then I go on to video details. And since I already filled out the requirement, they already made a title for the video with your primary keyword and secondary keyword, which you can edit just by clicking on this. And click save. You also have a description, which you can add. You can add whatever you want here. It'll still have your primary and secondary keywords here. And then you got your video tags. So you add that to your video and then upload it, and you'll get some additional traction on the rankings. For long-term rankings, it depends on what you're promoting, what the video is about, how popular the product is. It just depends on the market. But give this a try. It works pretty well. I'll upload this and you can try for yourself.